Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the silenced pistol in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're going to start out with the top part, but in the middle of the gun first. So we're just going to draw one line, horizontal line across. And this is going to be the length of the gun. And then we're going to come up. And then from here, just give it a little slant, and then we're just gonna come all the way across. So it's basically a rectangle, but except with that little slant. And then from here, we can just keep going up. This one, go up a little bit more, and we gotta draw the top here, but there's two slants up here. So right around in these area, just draw two little slant. So try to space it. So this is halfway, so this one's gonna be slightly over. And then now from there we can just kind of connect it and just try to draw a horizontal line if you can. You can use a ruler. Okay, and then here's this is where the shells come out. So this one's gonna be slightly lower and just come across. And then since we're here, yeah, just go ahead and draw in the little sight here, the front. Okay, and then let's see. So we're gonna come down. So come down a little bit, and right in the halfway point is right around here. Just come down, and then we're gonna go all the way across, back to the front of the gun. Okay, and then from here, just give it a little slant, and then we're gonna come back. Okay, so right around here, and then now we're gonna draw one curve. Curve it all the way back up. All right, so the trigger's down here. So now to draw in, we're gonna continue this line here. A little bit of line, and then we're gonna curve. Well, let's draw this slant first. So we're gonna continue that slant, and then we're gonna curve it across, and then it's a little tricky, and then curve it back down just to connect that. Okay, and then let's see. Well, let's draw in. Yeah, let's draw in the trigger first. It's a little bit easier. So come down, just curve it, come across, and then we're gonna give this some thickness here. Come across, just curve it up, slant again, and then we're just gonna go all the way to the tip almost, and just give it a little bit of slant. Okay, and then let's see, now we can draw in the trigger, so this one's easy. All right, so now let's draw in the handle, and so you can draw in, just a couple of wavy lines, you don't have to do too many. Then from here, we're gonna curve in, then we're gonna come down, then we're gonna close that off, and just give it a little bit of a edge there, lip. Okay, and let's see, we can add in, or let's go back up and finish up. There's this little sight here. So curve, go up, slant, and then up. Now connect that. And then for some details, we can draw in, just give this line some thickness here. It looks like there's a little bit of a rectangle here. There's going to be a little screw here, so just draw in that. And on the rear, it's going to be a little bit here, just going to come out. And let's see, let's add in a little rectangle here. It's going to be a circle right here. And now we can add in those little stripes here, which is pretty cool. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll just do 5. Okay, and then there's gonna be more here. So I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add one more back here then. Okay, so that's 5. There's a little bit of detail down here, so we just add in, just draw in a few of these, maybe 4 of these little rectangles. Okay, so that's the gun itself, and the silencer is gonna be super easy. So from here, just draw in a little rectangle first, and now for a silencer, just clear it out a little bit and just go straight across. So it's gonna be pretty long. And again, you could use a ruler. Okay, and then you can give it a little bit of a chisel edge and then just close it off. And that is it for this pistol with its silencer, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.